Garage exterior and service doors need tougher paint systems than walls because they get heavy use and direct exposure. Use semi-gloss or gloss exterior paint on garage doors and service doors to allow frequent cleaning and resist abrasion. These finishes shed dirt and scuffs better than flat or satin sheens. Start by cleaning with a mild detergent and rinsing thoroughly. Then sand glossy or previously painted surfaces lightly to degloss and create a keyed profile for good adhesion. For bare wood, apply an exterior-grade oil or acrylic primer and fill gaps and end grain with a compatible exterior filler. Then prime those repairs before top coating. For bare metal, apply a rust-inhibiting metal primer and remove loose rust with a wire brush or abrasive pad first. Pay special attention to weather seals and rubber gaskets by masking them off or using a brush technique to avoid trapping paint that can crack or degrade the seal. If seals are old and cracked, replace them to preserve the door function. When repainting steel doors, consider the long-term value of powder-coated replacements. If the door is badly corroded or pitted because powder coating provides a durable factory finish, though shop or factory application is required, otherwise, a high-quality two-component or exterior alkyd top coat over a proper metal primer is a practical field solution. Maintain thresholds and bottom seals by keeping them clean and replacing worn threshold plates or sweep seals to prevent repeated scuffing of the door bottom and to extend the life of your paint job. Common mistakes are skipping proper surface preparation, which causes peeling and poor adhesion. Fix that by always cleaning, sanding, and priming as required and allowing recommended dry times. Another issue is painting over rubber seals or weather stripping, which leads to cracking and door binding. Avoid that by masking seals or painting carefully with a sash brush and replace seals when they are brittle. A third frequent problem is choosing a low-quality paint or wrong sheen that soils easily and wears quickly. Choose an exterior-rated semi-gloss or gloss paint labeled for metal and wood, and follow manufacturer instructions on spread rates and recoat windows for durable results. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like exterior, house painting, and garage door maintenance, helping us find local professionals and project ideas. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn practical approaches for painting and door upkeep.